Welcome back. Today we're doing a pretty critical and highly technical deep dive into the world of industrial safety. We're going to be focusing on one specific device that carries a huge amount of responsibility. It's the NTI E-PST3000IS, Intrinsically Safe Pressure Sensor Transmitter. So our goal here is to really cut through the jargon and get to the heart of what intrinsically safe actually means in a high-stakes setting. And, why this piece of equipment is so vital. It's about preventing a catastrophe, really.
And that's the thing, right? This isn't just about measurement. Its entire function is tied to safety. It's made to monitor pressure, yes, but specifically in environments that could, well, explode. The whole point is to make sure the sensor itself can't possibly be the spark that sets it all off.
Right, that's the core concept. The source material is very clear about its rating. It's got a Class 1 Division 1 rating. So let's break that down. For someone on the ground, what does that actually mean?
Class 1, Division 1 is the most stringent category you can get. It means that flammable gases or vapors are present under just normal operating conditions all the time. So for a device to get this certification, it has to prove it can never create enough heat or electrical energy to cause an ignition, even if something goes wrong with it.
Wait a second, though. If the sensor is already intrinsically safe, why does the documentation insist it needs a whole separate component? That seems a bit redundant, doesn't it?
That is the absolute key to understanding this entire setup. The sensor is safe only when it's paired with its protector.
Oh, okay.
In those high-risk zones, it has to be connected to the EIXZB intrinsically safe barrier. It's not optional. That barrier is what actively limits the energy, shunting away any excess current before it can even reach the hazardous area.
Because the barrier is the real bodyguard here. It's the failsafe.
Exactly. And for context, that barrier alone is $810.
Wow. Okay, and to make this really concrete, they even specify the physical connection. It's a 18-shack BNPT male 316 stainless steel connection. That BNPT, the British National Pipe Thread, that's a serious industrial standard. It's designed not to fail under pressure.
And it all connects back to the wider system. I mean, the sensor is powered by standard NTI units, the E2D, 5D, or 16D. But, and this is important, it can't talk to them directly. It needs another piece. It requires the ES420MA24V to act as a translator.
A translator?
Sort of. It converts the pressure reading into a 420 milliamp signal. And that 420 MA signal is, the universal language for industrial control systems everywhere.
So it's all about speaking the right language
Yeah.
in a huge facility. And speaking of huge, the max cable length tells you a lot. It supports up to 1,000 feet.
Right. 305 meters.
That just screams vast remote locations,
Yeah.
like a refinery or a sprawling chemical plant where you need that reach.
Absolutely. Centralized monitoring is everything in those places.
So let's talk about the price tag, because it's significant. We're looking at $2,600 for one sensor. What's the justification there?
Well, you're paying for certified reliability in a, frankly, life or death scenario, but you're also paying for compliance. The product is TAA compliant. That's a huge deal for any kind of government or military contract.
Okay, so that opens up a specific market.
A very important one. And on top of that, you get a solid 2-year NTI warranty and even a free 15-day trial. They're basically saying they're so confident in this thing, they know you won't send it back.
When you put it all together, it really shows you how these complex ecosystems are built around one single idea, just absolute certified safety in a place that's, well, actively dangerous.
It's true. Every single piece is designed to support that one goal. And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it, considering how essential that EISZB barrier is? How often is the most crucial part of a high-risk system actually the protective accessory, the bodyguard, rather than the main sensor itself? Maybe true safety is all about having the right partner.